Yo, what's poppin', guys? It's your boy, Relational Thorn here. Today's video, I'll be telling you how to make like a reverse proxy, which means you can do what's like this and get to work instead of having to do stuff like this. So you do need to have like Pterodactyl or whatever. You do need access to the server. I'm using one SCP. The link will be in the description. If not, they'll be in the comment. What you want to do, you want to log in to the server, okay? You want to... You'll be stuck on this page, okay? You want to hit ETC, scroll down, Neginix, so how the heck do you say that name? Alright, so... Basically... This script will also be in the description, so... Yeah. I'm just gonna name it like... s.cof. Then you want to make like a domain. I'm gonna use Cloudflare. Keep in mind you do need to own the domain. You go to Cloudflare. Since I own this, I'm just gonna make it like test. Make it follow the server's IP. This is actually on the wrong node, so give me a sec, because this won't work because of that. Right there. Let me change this to the node that I actually have access to. So, give me a minute. I'll change it to my server that I have access. Right now, I don't have access to the main server, so yeah. Make it follow the IP that is connected to the server, like this IP will go right there. You can turn proxy on or off. I usually keep it off because I don't need it. For DDoS protection, it has to be on. Make this follow the new port. So once I try visiting this website, it should load. Don't even try to DDoS this because it will not go offline. But yeah, see, now it loads. Anyways, I'm gonna go to Pterodactyl because you need to certify that. I'm gonna go to creating SSL certification. Install all this. If you have Pterodactyl, it should already be installed. I am using Vulture, so yeah. Put whatever the domain is, which for me is test.yahoo.tk. Obtaining a new certification. This is to make it so if you like do this, it will say connection is secure. So yeah, you don't need to do any of this. You just need this. But yeah. You need to come here too, so yeah. Since this is test, you want to just add your domain right here. Then port is 4200 there. Gosh. But now if I go to test.delhu.tk, it's not secure, it should say, yeah, welcome to whatever, however you say that. Okay, so far it has this, which is, I guess, a good sign so far. It already made test in here, so... Wait, did it? Wait, let me refresh. Wait, no, it didn't. Usually it would, but just copy this. Come over to here, type the same thing. You do the same thing for this, okay? Just copy this code. Modify this. If you get this error, then you just, yeah, you paste it, then you just erase this. Now if I let the system control restart this, now if I refresh it should work. This is a bit embarrassing. Why is it not working? I have to refresh. I think I have to restart the server. It should have worked. It should have worked fine. Huh. This is weird. Let me check to see if I completed everything correct. It looks correct. It's the same as this. Is this correct? Did I spell this correct or no? That is so weird. Some fixes look correct. What if I try a different domain? Try relational hosting. Relational hosting. Okay. It should have worked fine. Obviously, if this doesn't work for you, you can just go to my Discord and they should help you. They should help you out. I think I misspelled it. Now let me try. This is relational hosting. Yeah, see, I must have misspelled it, but as you can see, it works. It's certified, and everything works fine. It's the same as this. Watch. See, they're both the same, but this one's not an IP list. So, that's how you make a reverse proxy using Nginx, or however you say that. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, see you guys. Peace.